Hello health enthusiasts. Whether you're just starting out with yoga or you are looking for a quick and easy way to kickstart your day, this routine is perfect for you. It's designed to help you stretch, strengthen and energize your body, as well as clear your mind and set positive intentions for the day ahead. So, roll out your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Number 8. Twisted Chair Pose. The twisted chair pose not only uses all the muscles in the body but also helps increase blood circulation by twisting to wake up the internal organs and promote digestion. Stand with your feet together. Start to bend your knees and lower your hips and back as if you were sitting in a chair. Put your palms in front of your chest. Twist your spine and place your right elbow on your left knee. Try to keep your chest up at all times. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds. Switch sides. Repeat. Number 7. Spinal Twist. If you want to stimulate your digestive system, a simple spinal twist should be one of your morning yoga poses to help you get started in the morning. First, lie on your back and pull your knees to the chest. Bring the left knee to the chest and let your right leg straighten on the floor. Bring the bent left knee to the body, keeping the shoulder blades on the floor. Extend your right arm to the right in space, in line with your right shoulder. Turn your head to look over your right shoulder to complete the turn. Hold for 45 seconds to 1 minute. Bring your knees to your chest. Switch side. Repeat. Number 6. Locust Pose. Locust Pose strengthens the muscles of the legs and lower back while opening the chest and lengthening the spine. Most importantly, it works in your core. Like all back bends, locusts are energizing and refreshing, which is what most of us need during our morning yoga session. Lie on your stomach, fold your arms, palms up. Lift your head, upper body, arms, and legs off the ground. Keep your arms and legs moving and look forward or slightly up, depending on your flexibility. Hold for 45 seconds. Lower your head sideways to the ground. Repeat twice. Number 5. Bow Pose. Like the Locust Pose, the bow is a great morning yoga pose because it's a supine pose that helps boost energy and keep your metabolism strong. The arch also opens and stretches the front of the body while strengthening the back muscles. To do a bow pose, lie face down on the floor with your arms next to your body, palms up. Bend your knees and reach back with your hands to grab your ankles, not your feet. Keeping your feet hip width apart, lift your heels up and away from your body, pulling your chest off the ground. Keep your shoulder blades down and away from your ears. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds. Lower your head sideways to the ground. Repeat twice. Just a second, hit that subscribe button, and become part of the fam. You won't want to miss out on all the dope content we're dropping. Number 4. Easy Seated Twist. Yoga poses that involve twisting are very beneficial in the morning because they aid digestion, says Willis. The gentle seated twist, or Bharadvahasana, improves digestion and more. It lengthens and opens the spine, hips, back, shoulders, and chest, making it an antidote to back pain. Start in a seated position with your arms at your sides. Place the left hand on the ground behind the sacrum. Put your right hand on the left knee. Inhale and lengthen your spine. When you exhale, twist your torso to the left with your hands. Hold for 5 to 10 deep breaths. Switch side. Repeat. Number 3. Eagle Pose. In addition to strong leg muscle gymnastics, Eagle is still a posture that can stimulate your morning by waking the whole body and helping digestion. From a standing position, bend your knees slightly. Lift the right leg up and around the standing leg and hook the foot and ankle behind the left calf. Drop your hips down on your back as if you were sitting in a chair. Cross your arms over your chest at the elbows and wrists. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds. Stand with your arms and legs free. Change side. Repeat. Number 2. Camel Pose. Camel Pose is refreshing. This physically opens up your chest, increasing your lung capacity and allowing you to breathe a little deeper. Begin in a high knee bend with your hips higher than your knees so that your weight is supported by your calves and the tops of your feet. Bend your toes and place your palms on your cross, fingers pointing up or down, whichever feels best. Keep your elbows together to avoid winging. Keep your thighs turned inward and pull your shoulder blades toward each other. Look up at the ceiling as your chest is lifted up. Release your hands to the heels and arch. Tilt your head back so that your entire spine is stretched. Skip this step if you have neck pain. Hold for 5 to 10 deep breaths. Number 1. Bridge Pose. The bridge pose is a gentle inversion that is the perfect morning yoga pose. It works with gravity to open up your entire chest and shoulder area. As the chest is raised against the chin, the thyroid gland is massaged. Your thyroid produces hormones that regulate your metabolism. To do it, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet hip-width apart, flat on the floor. Reach out with your fingertips to see if you can feel your heels. If not, bring your heels a little closer to your body. Press the weight into your legs and lift your hips toward the ceiling, keeping your thighs parallel. Keep your hands under your shoulders, and try to bring your hands together. Roll your shoulder blades toward each other and hold for 45 seconds to 1 minute. Release and slowly roll back to the floor, one twirl at a time. Repeat twice. Remember to listen to your body, and if any pose causes pain or discomfort, back off or modify the pose as necessary. If you are new to yoga or have any medical concerns, it is always best to consult with a qualified yoga instructor or healthcare provider before starting a new exercise routine. Great job on completing this 10-minute morning yoga routine for beginners. I hope you feel more energized, focused, and ready to take on the day ahead. Remember, starting your day with a few minutes of intentional movement and breathwork can make a big difference in your overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more yoga and wellness content. Also, let us know in the comments below what other types of yoga routines you'd like to see in the future. Thank you for practicing with me today. Take care and namaste.